In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund from TradingView. Whether you've recently renewed your subscription or accidentally purchased a plan, it's important to know how to navigate the refund process smoothly. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the features that will help us through this process. Now, take a look at your dashboard. In the lower right corner, you should notice a chat icon. That's your gateway to accessing support. Click on that icon to open up the chat assistant, which will guide you through the steps to initiate your refund request. When you're in the chat box, it's essential to be clear and direct to get your desired outcome. Simply type in a message like, "I want to get a refund." Once you've done that, look for an automated option such as a refund request link or button. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, be patient. Sometimes it just takes a moment for options to appear, or you might need to reply to the assistant with your request once more. Next, you'll need to provide some key details. Make sure you have your account email, the date of the charge, the specific reason for your refund request, and the total amount that was charged to you. These pieces of information are crucial as they verify your identity and the transaction in question. Once you've gathered all the necessary details, simply follow the instructions from the support system to officially submit your refund application. Keep in mind that after submission, there's often a processing period, and it might take a few days for TradingView's team to review your request and send an update via email. Now let's consider some other important factors. If you're requesting a refund within 14 days of your annual subscription renewal, you should be eligible for one. However, if your subscription was purchased through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, bear in mind that you'll have to request refunds through those respective platforms, as they have their own policies regarding refunds. Lastly, should you encounter any hiccups during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to TradingView's support again via the chat assistant or contact them directly. Being patient and persistent is key, especially when dealing with support systems. So there you have it. With these steps, requesting a refund from TradingView should be straightforward. We hope you found this guide helpful in navigating your refund process. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.